Hi, this is Dave for Expert Village. Today we're going to make one of my all-time favorite comfort foods, salmon cakes. Alright, we've got our patties formed now, and what we're going to do is get a nice skillet. We're going to add a little butter in there, and we're going to add a little bit of olive oil in because butter has such a low smoking point that it tends to burn quickly. So I like to add not only the flavor of the olive oil, and it doesn't have to be extra virgin, this one is, but you could also use a very light olive oil into it, or even vegetable oil, and that'll raise that smoking point, so when you put in your patties, they won't burn right away, or the butter won't burn, you won't get that terrible burnt taste. Okay, so we're going to add 2 tablespoons of butter to our hot pan. So we're going to saute this, and you can see the butter already starting to melt some. That's really great. And as I say, this is really low smoking point on butter. So here we're going to add just about a tablespoon of olive oil to this. Or as I said, vegetable oil you could also use. Now this is going to really kick up the smoking point, so you don't have to worry about this burning. So go ahead and get your pan prepared. Make sure you got plenty of coverage over. And then we can even start adding these before the butter is just ready. So I like to go ahead and scoop one up with your spatula and just lay it right into the pan. You can start to hear the sizzle right away. What we want to do is seal the outside of these. And then, as I said, all of these are cooked, as you can see earlier, through the poaching process. And now this is going to add some extra crunch, some extra flavor to it, and it'll cook some of the veggies